Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get boost your views on Quora and how I'm getting over 100,000 views on Quora easily, very easily, my friends. So I'm going to be showing you steps, my friends. I'm going to be showing you my stats first of all. As you can see, in the last 30 days, easily, very easily, my friends, I have got 162,000 views. And there is a method to everything, my friends. There is a way for everything how to achieve this. Now, how have I achieved this, my friend? The thing is that first of all, I must admit that I am not a Quora partner at this moment of time, because my country is Pakistan, and in Pakistan Quora partnership program isn't available. However, I must admit that Quora is helping me with content ideas, my friends. This Q&A website is the best website for content ideas, so keep that in mind, my friends. Not only video content ideas, but also content ideas for articles as well. This helps me understand what the consumers are thinking, what they are searching for. Everything I am understanding from a consumer point of view. So content views, how is the question, my friends? I'll go to my notifications, my friends, and I'm going to show you. This is the secret, my friends. How do I grow a YouTube channel? I'm a vlogger. One question that was requested specifically for me. Now this other question, these are the questions that I asked. Now similarly, question for you. This is the secret of Quora, my friends. You won't be believing me. People requesting you to answer questions for them, and the only way you can achieve this, my friend, is just simply go to your profile. Your profile page, my friends, is crucial at the moment. And then you have to do is this page is everything, my friends. Knows about. So you'll just go over here, knows about, and it's taking somewhat of a time. I'll click it again, or otherwise I'll just click view more. Now you see what I have done over here. YouTube, I have added YouTube. Quora, I have added Medium, 9gag, Reddit, Discord. I have added some specific topics which I feel that I'm good enough to answer questions. Then somehow I have targeted this YouTube thing, my friends, and always I try to give answers. I answer all these questions, my friends, for free. Look at this. I have answered 227 answers in the 160 answers, and this has gotten me 18 followers, my friends. Look at this, answers in a specific topic like YouTube. Now this is my domain, my friends. I am a YouTuber, and I have answered these questions on to a lot of people. And then specifically I have some videos here and there. So after 20 or 30 answers, if I have a relevant video, I add it in the mix as well. Specifically, my friends, specifically, look, I'm pretty active usually over here. So what this does, my friends, is it enables and triggers your creativity side of your brain, my friends. These questions, when you start answering them, you have some questions too. You are a human being, my friend. So when you are interested in something or doing some activities, you start asking these questions, my friends. And just what I do is this is where the machine starts to work. I start asking questions. Look at this, 129 questions. Just now a question of mine got viral. even though I'm not making money. But this idea didn't just pop into my brain from nowhere. Which country is more powerful, China or USA? Look at this. I just copied somebody else's idea and just made an original question out of it, and it's getting viral traffic, my friends. A lot of people have already answered this. Then I'm asking for social media questions, YouTube questions, all sorts of questions, my friends. So I'm telling you, once the first step is to answer specific questions in your topic, you will start getting requests. And the second step is simple. You will just have to type some questions here and there, and all of a sudden you will get traffic on your profile. And the third and the last step is getting followers. Those followers are crucial, my friends, for the long run. For the CTA side of things, I have not succeeded yet, my friends, like the CTA link clicking, because I have limited amount of followers. But I'm going to find a method for boosting followers as well on Quora, and I'll let you know, make a separate guide for that. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care, my friends. I'll be signing off.